I'm here at Ardrossan ferry terminal. We're about to go backpacking. I'm going to head to Kintyre, hopefully Gaya, and then Arran. This is my setup today. Got some pannier racks on because the weather's going to be bad, so I've got an extra tarp.
The vessel is also equipped with sufficient life jackets, with donning instructions provided for all.
Okay, so we've made it to Campbelltown, and now I need to try and find my way to the west of the island for a camp. Okay, so it's a bit windy, you might not pick up my voice here, but we're just about to pass Campbelltown Airport, and that has the largest runway of any airport in the UK seemingly. But yeah, weather's not great. Okay, so we're over on the west side now, and the weather's changed, so it's going to be a bit better. Still a bit windy. And this is West Point Beach. I don't know if you can see the land in the background, but that'll be Islay, if you can see it. How we doing? I think we're probably about halfway to where we're going to camp, and we're in a place called Bar, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm actually at camp for tonight, just next to a field of bluebells and next to the Gaya ferry terminal. Hammock set up, so it's going to be a hammock camp. This is the little bluebell meadow of camp next to. The place is covered in them. Morning, it's the next day here. It's pretty miserable. Last night was really stormy, so I'm going to rethink about today. Instead of going to Gaya, maybe we just go up to Tarp or across to the ferry to Lochranza. We'll see how the weather turns, but it's pretty wet, pretty windy now. I've not filmed much in that last stretch because it's miserable, but I've stopped to film this. Wait to see it.
Your attention is drawn to the
This is us in the Lochranza ferry. We're just coming into Arran. So the weather in Arran's not much better than it was in Kintyre. I'm going to head to Brodick as close as I can get anyway, and maybe camp. Here's what this bit looks like. Got it to Brodick in time for the 4:40 ferry, so I'm just going to call it. So time of death of this adventure is 3:15 on day 2. Thanks for watching.